Hi, my name is James Back with 360 and Back. And in today's short iGuide tutorial, I want to go over the iGuide viewer. So the iGuide in short is an online property experience designed to give users immediate virtual access to important property information like photos, 3D tours, floor plans, room measurements, and area calculations. Now, the iGuide comes with an interactive floor plan that works with the tour to give the viewer the ultimate experience. So if we look wherever I'm viewing, this little shaded area shows me where I'm pointed at. This way, viewers don't get lost in very complicated or complex homes. They know exactly where they're at each and every time. Now, to start using the iGuide, just start looking around. Move up, down, left, right with unlimited access. Move from one room to another just by clicking the direction that you would like to go. So, for instance, we want to go over here. There we go. We just start doing it. We don't have to use these little halos, but they're nice to have them right there. Again, if I just want to go here, there you go. Now, the other cool thing is that you can navigate using the floor plan to quickly see an area that interests you. So say that you want to see this back deck, just simply come over here and click on the back deck. Now we're back here. So this is another great feature, especially for people that want to see particular areas of the house that interest them, the garage. And there you go. Just click on the floor plan itself and it brings you right to the garage. You can also go between floor levels by using the floor selector or by selecting the floor icon near the stairs. So we'll just go down here where it says main floor, select on that. And there you go. You got the second floor. If it has a basement, it will say basement as well. So we can just click on second floor. And it brings us up to the second floor. And this is the stair icon. So if we want to go back downstairs, click on that. And you can see the stair icon is back to go. Now you can also measure anything you like in the floor plan just by drawing from one point to another to see the distance between them. Now this can be used to measure windows, fixtures, or anything else you can think of. This allows viewers to understand how they fit in the space. So for instance, we want to come over here and we want to measure this countertop. All we have to do is click on this measurement tool and we'll go right here. And there we go. Now we got the measurement of the of that countertop. So very neat, very convenient to use. I also want to talk about the share icon right here. You can click on this to post the iGuide on social media or any other listing services. Now, every iGuide provides downloadable floor plans, room dimensions, and total area of floors. So we'll go right here and you just click on this download button. And here we can see we have all the information about this property. Also, iGuide provides a neighborhood map. So here we go. We got the neighborhood map and we can kind of see the location of the house. Another cool feature is just your agent branding. So you're going to have your photo right here. It's easy for anybody to contact you. And if you have any other properties associated with iGuide, they can click on this button here and it's going to bring up all the other properties that I've done for you or anybody with an iGuide has done for you. I really hope this helped. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to send me an email. If you'd like to learn more about iGuide and how to use it to its fullest potential, I made a series of videos, which I would highly recommend to go and watch. Thanks so much.